Alright, feels pretty good to be back after taking a week off. I had some work trips scheduled last week, and I did trade on Thursday and Friday, but it wasn't really anything. I think I gave back money on Thursday. Then I made a little bit on Friday, but I was just too tired to like make videos or anything, and just figured we start a fresh account today with on Monday. So we're starting off with our attempt number 2 on this channel with a funded account through Apex Trader. I have the 50K account size. Our profit goal is 3,000. We can't lose 2,500 or we'll get, locked out and have to reset. So again, this is day 1, trading NASDAQ futures. I'm trading the minis today. Pretty good day, so hope you guys enjoy the trades, and I will see you all tomorrow. Have to buy down here, testing VWAP, and maybe we come back up to 80 or something. Gonna add one in the 60s. Really want to get out at, or at least see it go to 80. Maybe take one off at 80. It's trying to get to 80, 78. Yes, it's kind of pushing up. All right, we're out of 1, so now we just have 1 left. Locked in 455, and we're in 1 for 2, a little over 200. I'm gonna put a stop at 70. And it's come back down. I'm gonna get out. I think we got like 10 points there, so those 2 contracts netted us 620 on the day. Not bad for the first trade. When the markets are trading above VWAP and we come down to VWAP or below VWAP and we come up to VWAP, I love buying or selling to test the rejection there. I need to work on waiting on those perfect setups like that, because if we started to break through VWAP, I mean, that's a pretty clear indication that we're not going to get a rejection at it, so we could get out for like a small loss instead of some of these hopeful trades where I'm holding on way too long. This little, it's kind of an M pattern, so expecting to maybe go back down into the 50s, 40s. I didn't really want to do that. We just barely broke this low, just enough to get into a trade at 63.5. I'm not a huge fan of that, so I'm just gonna get out. It's basically like break even. It might play out, but I don't think that was the best setup. We had like this formation of an M pattern, but we like came down and tested it and then came back up and then barely broke it, came back up. Doesn't feel as strong as what I would like it to be. I have a buy up in the 80s. It's just feeling really strong. If ES can crack these highs, should pull up the NAS with it. Really trying. All right, we're in 1 at 84. 86. I want to at least get to 400. So don't want to see us just get stuck in this range and rotate back down. I'm just going to take that. It's about like 5 points. So we're up to 760 on the day. This could keep ripping, but yeah, there it is. Should have waited 3 more seconds. I could have seen like the ES make new highs and just tank back down into its range, and ES barely at the top of its range would have been pulled down quickly. So not too disappointed with taking 3 trades and being up 760 on this account. ES is strong. Damn, look at that. Oh, there you go. See how quick that just came back down? I didn't want to be in a trade and that happened. Nasdaq was making new highs, but it just jumped back into its range. I mean, we could keep ripping up, but I just didn't want to risk being in those movements. All right, this is slowing down considerably. We're just like up in the highs on the day on both charts. I don't really want to take a risk thinking it's going to continue moving up, and I don't want to take a risk continuing it's going to start getting some rejection. So instead of waiting, you know, like another 20-30 minutes for a range to form, I'm just going to end it there. I'm not mad about taking just a handful of trades, 3 or 4 trades, and making 760 on this account. It's pretty good first little push on this evaluation account. Again, this was day 1, attempt 2 for an evaluation account with the 50K trading account with Apex Trader. Our goal is to get to 3,000 in profit. We have to trade a minimum of 7 days. This was a great first day to get us started, and I will see you all tomorrow.